Good evening, students. Today I have taken two elements of art, that is shape and space. Earlier we have done line and color in the classroom today. Now shape is also one of the most important fundamental of art. Among the seven elements of art, shape, line, form, texture, value, shape is also one of the element of art. So these shapes are of many types like round, geometrical, modified. So you can make so many shapes with the help of the lines. Here on the screen you can see the three types of shapes that are geometrical, modified and organic. Geometrical shapes, you know that all we can draw square and rectangles and many type of geometrical shapes like that. Here organic type, you can draw leaves, flowers, trees with the help of line. So here you can make so many landscape with the help of the organic shapes. In visual art, you can see shapes are flat on the sheet. On the screen, you can see these things, and in the artist work, you can draw so many types of the shapes. These can be geometrical, organic, as well as modified. So here we will discuss about the still life. We are doing all these shapes in the classroom as a still life drawing. Shapes insert the qualities of the lines. With the help of lines, you can draw many types of shapes here. So you can understand that the value of the shape in our work of art. So you can make solid things with the help of shapes. Different shapes you can show, whatever the objects are in front of you. So here I am clear that you can make many types of shape that can be abstract or realistic. But we are choosing the original drawing, like we are very much honest. Whatever is there in front of us, we can draw that one, because these are the basic things. Once you learn how to make the basic shapes, then you can draw the abstract paintings or objects or whatever is there in front of you. So here we can see that so many paintings we can use with the help of shapes. Especially when you are drawing any still lifes, you need to be draw different type of shapes. You are agree with me that we sometimes we have to draw bottles, glasses, bowls. These all we need to draw with the help of correct form of shapes, and these things mostly are in front of us, and we have to observe these things and draw it properly. So here I am clear that how the shapes are so much important to complete our artwork. Second point is space. How you are spacing your work on the sheet. Suppose you are having a sheet in front of you. How you are dividing the sheet with the negative areas and the positive areas. Now further I am telling you what is the negative areas and what is the positive. With the space you can show the 3D and white areas also. So three things you can show, like here on the screen you are watching one picture. The picture is only a small one in between. So all the areas around this is a negative area. The picture is the positive area. How the spacing in this picture is not correct. So here also, if you have to draw many things on the sheet, you have to compose it in a right way. You have to divide the placing of the work on the sheet properly, so that it appeals proper way. So space is also one of the important element. Thanks for today. Tomorrow we will discuss in detail in the classroom regarding these topics.